Hello and welcome back, everybody. It's good to have you with us. We're going to start off by writing our 2s, our 3s, and our 4s. I'm going to give you a minute to write those out. So your 2s, your 3s, and your 4s. If you don't remember them, you can copy them from the screen as I write them. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job, everybody. All right, if you did not finish counting out your numbers, what I'd like you to do is pause the video. It's okay to pause the video to catch up, okay? There's nothing wrong with that, because I know some kids will write them faster and some kids will need more time, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. I'm going to go ahead and erase those. As I do, count them again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Let's go ahead and chant our 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 more. 18, 21, 24 score. 27, 30, almost done. 33, 36, counting 3s is fun. Let's go ahead and chant that again as I erase it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 more. 18, 21, 24 score. 27, 30, almost done. 33, 36, counting 3s is fun. Our 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, hey. 20, 24, 28, okay. 32, 36, 40, that's right. 44, 48, we're counting 4s all night. One more time as I erase it. 4, 8, 12, 16, hey. 20, 24, 28, okay. 32, 36, 40, that's right. 44, 48, we're counting 4s all night. Nice job, everybody. The next one I'd like you to write down are your 6s. I'll write them down and I'd like you to copy them, and then I'll teach you the chant. So as of right now, just go ahead and copy them down. Nice job. All right, I'm going to go ahead and teach you the chant. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. One more time. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Now I'm going to add on the next part. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 36, 42, 48, nerdy. One more time. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 36, 42, 48, nerdy. Now I'm going to add on the next part. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 36, 42, 48, nerdy. 54, 60, now don't laugh, haha. One more time. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 36, 42, 48, nerdy. 54, 60, now don't laugh, haha. Now we're going to sing the whole thing. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 36, 42, 48, nerdy. 54, 60, now don't laugh, haha. 66, 72, we're great at 6's math. One more time all the way through. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, nerdy, 54, 60, now don't laugh, haha, 66, 72 are great at sixes math. Nice job. We're going to start to chant that every time that I erase the board, because once you get to the sixes and sevens and eights, those chants are a little harder. Okay? Nice job, everybody. The next thing I'd like you to do is write your numbers backward from 20. So 20, 19, 18. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Let's go ahead and count backward. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's count that one more time as I count backwards. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice job, everybody. All right. I'm going to write down 3 numbers, and I'm going to have you read them, and then you're going to write them in expanded form. Here we go. Can you read this first number? 264. 264. Can you read the next number? 716. 716. Nice job. Can you read the last number? 450. 450. Nice job. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to write all 3 of those numbers in expanded form. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job, everybody. Here we go. 264. 200 plus 60 plus 4. 716 is 700 plus 10 plus 6. 450 is 400 plus 50. If you remember, you don't have to write anything for the 0 in the ones place. Nice job, everybody. I'm going to chant our sixes while I erase. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, nerdy, 54, 16, now don't laugh, haha, 66, 72, we're great at sixes math. Nice job, everybody. All right, I'm going to go ahead and give you 2 addition problems. I would like you to write them down. We have 284 plus 393. We also have 597 plus 196. Go ahead and copy those down, and I'm going to give you a minute to solve those. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Here we go. We're going to circle the 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to circle the 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 is a 2-digit number, so we put the 7 down, we regroup and carry the 1. Here we're going to circle the 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our answer is 677. Nice job. Here we're going to circle the 7 because it's bigger than the 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is a 2-digit number, so we'll put down the 3 while we'll regroup and carry the 1. 9 plus 9. You always want it, when the numbers are the same, circle the 1 on top. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 is a 2-digit number, so we'll put the 9 down. We'll regroup and carry the 1. Circle the 5, 5, 6, 7. Our answer is 793. Nice job. I'm going to go ahead and chant the 6s as I erase it. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, nerdy, 54, 60, now don't laugh, haha, 66, 72, we're great at 6's math. Nice job. All right, everybody. I am going to teach you something called a double borrow. Okay? So we've been working on borrowing, but sometimes when you get into bigger numbers, you have to borrow more than once. So what I'd like you to do is write down this problem. 425 minus 176. We're going to do this problem together. Now, in this first column in the ones, what's bigger, the 5 or the 6? The 6. The big number is on the bottom, so you have to borrow. Big bottom borrow. Let's go ahead and do that now. We're going to put the 1 in front of the 5 to make it a 15. And we're going to cross off the 2 and make it a 1. Okay? I know a lot of you guys already noticed that the 7 is bigger, and you're like, do this. Don't do anything else until after you subtract this right here. You want to do one place value at a time. So we have one borrow right here, 15 minus 6. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 15 minus 6 is 9. Here, you're going to circle the big number, which is 7. You're going to do the exact same thing, but now this 2 is a 1. So instead of putting the 1 here, you don't put it there with the 2, you just put it up here with the 1. So now you make an 11, and you still cross off the 4 and make a 3. Okay, so let's go through that one more time. You did your first borrow. We're going to circle the 7. It's still bigger. The big number's on the bottom, so you have to borrow. Big bottom borrow. We're going to put a 1 in front of the 1. We're going to cross off this 4 and make it a 3. Then we're just going to subtract 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. Here I'm going to circle my 3, 3, 2. My answer is 249. Nice job, everybody. I am going to give you a problem that is just like that, just with different numbers on the bottom. And I am going to give you a minute to go ahead and solve it. You can look at my problem to see if you can figure it out. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. We're going to do that one together now. Let's check your work. We're going to circle the 5, big bottom borrow. We'll put a 1 in front of the 3. We'll cross off the 2 and make it a 1. We're going to go back to the 13 minus 5 and subtract. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. We're going to circle the 4 because it's bigger than the 1. Big bottom borrow. I'm going to put a 1 in front of the 1. Cross off my 5 and put a 4. I'm going to go back to the 11 and count backwards. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Here I'm going to circle the 4, 4, 3. My answer is 378. Go ahead and check your work. I'm going to go ahead and chant my 6s as I erase. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, nerdy, 54, 16, now don't laugh, haha, 66, 72, we're great at 6's math. All right, 4 times 8. I would like you to draw an array and a picture. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. On your mark, get set, go. Remember, an array is the little dots and the circles are the picture. Remember, if you're not finished, you may always pause the video. I'm going to go ahead and solve this problem first. 4 times 8. I circle my 4 because that's what I can count by. 4, 8, 12, 16, hey. 20, 24, 28, okay. 32. So 32 is my answer. I need 4 rows with 8 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or with the picture, I can draw 4 groups and I can put 8 in each one. Now, you can draw squares, you can draw triangles, you can draw whatever you want, but the quickest way is to draw circles and then just fill it up with 8 little tally marks. Okay, so remember, this is how you draw an array. This is an array. This is a picture. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and chant 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, nerdy, 54, 16, now don't laugh, haha, 66, 72, we're great at 6's math. All right, sometimes you have to work backwards. What I mean by that is someone will give you a picture and they'll ask you to tell them the problem. So let's say that I have this picture and the teacher will ask what multiplication problem is modeled. When you have a picture, you have to work backwards. You have to count the groups. 1, 2, 3. That's our first number. 3. We know it's times, and then count inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 6. And then you chant to figure it out. Circle it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 more, 18. Okay? So sometimes you're going to work backwards from that. Okay? All right. I'm going to go ahead and erase my board. I'm next going to write up some multiplication problems for you to solve. Okay? So go ahead and get your pen or your pencil ready. Here we go. We have 4 times 6. We have 6 times 2. We have 3 times 7. We have 2 times 9. We have 4 times 4. And we have 3 times 8. All right, I'm going to give you a minute to solve those. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Here we go. Always circle the number you know how to count by and chant on the other number. 4, 5, so counting by fours. 4, 8, 12, 16, hey, 20, 24. Remember, you only put a dot if you say a number. Circle the 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Circle my 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 more, 18, 21. 2 times 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 4 times 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. And then our 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 more, 18, 21, 24. Nice job. All right. We're going to be learning something new today. So as I erase, I'm going to chant my 6s. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, nerdy, 54, 16, now don't laugh, haha, 66, 72, we're great at sixes math. All right, everybody. I'm sure you already know this, but we're going to go back to some basics, okay? We're going to do 2 plus 4. This is addition. Let's solve this. We're going to circle our 4, 4, 5, 6. Our answer is 6. Many of you are wondering, why are we doing something so basic? We are because I would like to remind you of some things that you already know. If you know that 2 plus 4 equals 6, without adding it, can you tell me what 4 plus 2 is? 6. If you look here, you have 2 plus 4, and you have 4 plus 2. It doesn't matter which way you write them. That's called the commutative property. That's a fancy way of saying that you can put the numbers in whichever order you want. So we have 2 plus 4 equals 6, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. That's the commutative property. It means that you can put the numbers in any order. Now, the opposite of addition is subtraction. When you talk about opposite, it's the thing that is the exact opposite or the exact thing across from it. So the opposite of on is off. Okay? The opposite of light is dark. So it's the one exact opposite of it. Now, we're going to take this same problem and we're going to make a subtraction problem out of it. When we do this, addition went this way, subtraction will go this way. Okay, so you're going to start here and bring it to the beginning. 6. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. Here, you do the same thing, but 6 minus 2 equals 4. Okay? So if you look at this, you can make 4 problems out of 3 numbers. You can do the exact same thing with multiplication. Let me show you. So addition and subtraction are opposites. Your other 2 options are multiplication and division. Now, there's addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the 4 operations. Operations are 4 things you can do with numbers. You know how to add, you know how to subtract, you know how to multiply. Now we're going to learn division, okay? Here we go. 3 times 4. Let's solve that. We'll circle our 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. Multiplication is also commutative. What that means is that you can write it the other way and the answer will still be the same. So you can switch around the 4 and the 3. We'll circle the 4, 4, 8, 12. It's the exact same number, okay? And if you remember when we started learning about multiplication, multiplication is the fast way of adding. So adding and multiplication are connected, but addition and subtraction are opposites. In the same way, subtraction and division are connected, and multiplication and division are opposites. So there's a lot of connections between these numbers. Now, just like we did with addition, we can do the same thing with division. You can rewrite this as a division problem. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. You can also write it this way. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Okay? So you have multiplication and then you have division. Division and multiplication are opposites. It means that one is a fast way of adding and the other is a fast way of subtracting. Okay? This is all we have for you today. The next lesson we'll get more into how to solve these problems, okay? Thank you so much for your attention. Don't forget that there's extra practice available after the video. You have a good rest of your day and we'll see you next time.